Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel CS Baba. In this session we will discuss about how to install VPN server, Wireguard VPN server in Ubuntu server 2022. So friends, I will guide you how to I will give you some steps how to create virtual machine first in XI server 7 and how can we install and configure Wireguard VPN server. So guys, if you are first time viewer on my channel, please like, share and subscribe. So let's start. First step, I am going to create virtual machine in EXI server 7. So you just click on create virtual and register VM. So you need to click on create new virtual machine. Just click on create new virtual machine and you need to type the virtual machine name, whatever your virtual machine name you want. Suppose I will type the WVPN. Wirecard VPN. So the capability is EXI server. So my virtual machine is running on EXI server 7. So I have my server is EXI 7. So I have selected the EXI server. Guest OS, what will be the my guest OS will be the Ubuntu. I need to select Linux and I need to set OS version will be Ubuntu. So just press Ubuntu 64, select Ubuntu 64 and click to next. Once you will click to next, it's your data store. So data store, just click on next. Default data store one will become. So now I will going to assign here the CPU. Just click on 4. I will assign the 4 CPU and will be the 4 GB RAM to the this EXI this virtual machine. Ubuntu server virtual machine which we are going to install and configure. So friends, we need to assign the here CPU. So I have assigned the 4 CPU and the memory I have assigned the 4024. It means 4 GB of RAM, random access memory. So here is the option hard disk. So I need to assign the hard disk. So I will assign the hard disk 50 GB. And there is a one more option. If you will expand the CPU, there is a option hot disk. You can enable the hot disk, means to say if you want to increase the CPU size while your machine is running, you can enable it. So there is a option here, enable the hot disk. So you can enable from here the same thing. You can also enable to the RAM, random access memory. So once you have selected this, assign the size, go to the option network adapter, the network adapter which we are using connected VM network. So now I will going to select the iOS. So I will going to select the iOS. Which iOS? I will going to select iOS data store because I already stored the iOS in iOS folder. So I will going to select the iOS. So ISO. I have selected the ISO. So select the ISO Ubuntu Server 2022 which I am going to install. So select the ISO and select this and click to next. So I have already connected while this machine is running, it will be automatic, they will get the ISO file. So click to next and finish. Once you will click to finish, there will be one virtual machine will be appear here. So you can check here, there will be one virtual machine will be here. I will show to you. WVPN, just click on WVPN, power on the WVPN. Once you will power on the virtual machine, there will be option installation. So you can check the installation. So click to enter, press enter. So now I am going to install virtual machine in EXI 7 server. So now it's checking all the capabilities which is required and all the testing in the server which is required to test. First it will test the server configuration, then it's going to start the process of installation Ubuntu server. So friends, now installation is started. Here is the language. You need to select the, I will going to select the English language. Just click select the English and press enter. And now here you can check here, continue without updating. Yes, I will going to continue without updating. Just press enter again. Here is the identity of keyword. Layout will be English, variant English US, and click to enter again. Now here is the Ubuntu server. You can check over here. Here is the Ubuntu server. I will going to install the Ubuntu server. Just press done. Enter again. Now the main thing here, I will going to assign the static IP to the server. So select the, click your network adapter, select and choose the edit IPv4. Click to edit and need to select the manual. I will select the manual and now I will type the manual IP 192.168.1.0/24, and now I will going to type the IP address which I am going to assign to the machine. So gateway will be, my gateway is one name server. You need to type the name server. Name server will be your DNS, domain name server. And your search domain, local domain, and press to save. So now press to enter and done. Again you need to press done. So now it's checking the mirror location is being tested. So press enter again. Continuing the check the mirror is URL still running. Yes, I will going to continue. And yes, I will going for the entire disk. Select and select to done and press done, again done. Are you sure you want to continue? Yes, I will going for continue. So now you need to type your username, your name, and your server name, WVPN, and you pick username. What will be the username? Username will be same. Password it's depend on you, and press done and click to continue. Click continue. Yeah, you want to open SSH? Yeah, I will going to open SSH and press to done. Press to done and again done. Now the installation process is started for Ubuntu. First step I will go. First step is we have created the virtual machine EXI server. Then install the virtual machine in EXI server. The installation is in process. Machine. So go to the reboot and click to reboot. So now the virtual machine will be reboot and click to enter. So now our virtual machine is rebooting. So after, and now we are going to login via SSH. I am using a putty. So you need to type the IP address of that machine. So I am using the IP address, and now you need to click on the accept and type the username. And password of the virtual machine. So virtual machine is, so now I have configured the virtual machine. So I am using putty. So I need to increase the size of virtual machine font, and I will increase also the text size. Appearance will be changed. I will going to change the appearance font 14, apply. So it's visible. So now first thing we are going to update the virtual machine Ubuntu server, and then we are also going to upgrade the Ubuntu server. So upgrading command sudo apt update update -y. So now type the password. So now it's upgraded. So I will again going to upgrade apt up g RADE hyphen Y. So this Ubuntu server virtual machine is upgrading. So now the next step which we are going to follow. We are going to follow to install. So the installation command is we can use also curl hyphen capital R http install.vipn.iso. From this command we will going to install Wireguard VPN server. So with the help of the URL curl, we are going to install the Wireguard VPN server, and after that we are going to configure the virtual machine. So after that we will going to configure Wireguard VPN server in Ubuntu server 2022. So updating process almost done. So in process 99%, we need to lay a little wait for that. So friend, upgradation is done. So next step we are going to follow. We are going to install WireGuard VPN server. So just I will going to copy. Command is curl https install pivpn and press enter. Once you will press enter, installation process is starting. So now we are going to install the Raspberry WireGuard VPN server. So you can check there is a second option, WireGuard VPN server. So we are going to install WireGuard VPN server. We are not using the dynamic IP address. We will go for static IP address. So press OK. We are not using IPv6. So just select no and press to install. And we are going to configure the user. Yes, we will a local user, and this is the user which we are going to follow. I am the user, the name of user, and press OK. And now I will going to select, there is two option here, choose the VPN. So I have selected the WireGuard VPN server. Just press OK. So this is the, so need to check the, this is the port, the WireGuard port. If you want to use your custom WireGuard port, you can also use the custom WireGuard port. So I am going to with the default WireGuard port 51820. If you want to, I already tested it, that is working. You can change the port also and press OK and press OK. The are these settings correct? Yes, it's the correct, and press yes. And now I will going to use the DNS Google DNS, or if you are having the custom DNS, you can go to the custom like same like the custom and press, and I will go for the Google DNS and press OK. Once you will press OK, you need to type the Google DNS, that is 8.8.8 and 1.1.1.1, which we are going to use. This is my dynamic IP, DDYNS. This is my DDNS, dynamic domain name system. So which we are going to use. So this is my DDNS. So just press OK. And the server will be reboot. The server key now generated and the server will be reboot. OK, press OK. So now I will going to press OK again. Do you want to enable the attendant upgrade? No, I don't want to attendant. So the thank you for using. So the installation process is done. So I will going to restart my server. Yes, I will going to restart my server. Press yes and press OK. So my server is rebooting. So installation process is very easy. As I guide you installation process, first we need to follow the steps. First, what step? First I have created the virtual machine in EXI server. Then install the and then install the virtual machine, Ubuntu server virtual machine. Then upgrade the virtual machine. Then update the virtual machine. Then install the WireGuard configuration. WireGuard then start. Then I have start to installation of WireGuard VPN server. Once WireGuard VPN server is installed, we will going for reboot the. Once we reboot is done, we will going to create a new user in in a WireGuard VPN server, click to restart session and type the user password. So I will going to create a user. So I will going to create a user. So user creation command is in WireGuard VPN server sudo pivpn add, press enter. You need to type the password, and now you need to type the client name. So I will use my name only. No. So this is the, so you have created a one user VPN virtual private network user to WireGuard VPN server. So I will going to download the VPN. So for downloading I will use WinSCP. Go to the WinSCP, log into your server, just click to new tab, manage new site, click to new site, type the IP address, and type the username, type the password, and press open. So you just need to click OK. So I will going to use this desktop and click to configuration. The once you have created any user in WireGuard VPN server, the directory will be like this same. I will show to you ls-rtl. This is the directory config. You will go to the config and ls. So this is the user which is created in WireGuard VPN server. So I will going to download the WireGuard user. Click to download. So I have downloaded the user, and I will going to copy this user and paste it in my local machine. So I have copy from desktop. This is the user. Where is the user? This is the where I have copied this user. Copy this user and paste to your local. Right. So I have copied the user, this user. So client, search WireGuard Windows client and click to open. And we need to add the terminal. Click to add the terminal and select the user. So this is the user which we are going to use, and click to active. Once I have selected the user, this is the active user. So finally we are going to connect. We are already connected to the VPN server, and we can cross check that this configuration is done successfully or no. We are going to ping our server ping. So you can check here, we are getting the IP, and we can access our machines or no. So with the help of this, we can check here. This is my local PC which we are going to using. So we are accessing the virtual machine with the help of VPN, WireGuard VPN. So means we have successfully installed and configuration, and we are connected. So friends, let's check to their file server. We are already connected to the WireGuard VPN. So friends, we are already connected to the private network using the WireGuard. So we can check over here from the file server. We can check over here. So this is the user. So this is the ping of the user. So if we are having the user of credential, we can use. So if you want, I will show to you here. And press OK. So we are having the access. This is the process. So friends, this is the process to install, configure and access to any private network using the WireGuard VPN server. So friends, if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.